Right guys, there's going to be no fluff in this video. It's an emergency update on Render. It's going to be quick, it's going to be straight to the point. And if you do want more updates like this, let me know in the comments. I'm Keith, this is Crypto Bullseye, and by the way, 90% of my viewers are not actually subscribed to my channel. If I do give you any kind of benefit, if you do think that this content's useful, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, guys. It helps the channel out. Let's grow this community together. So this is the area that I'm worried about on Render. It's $7.93. Why am I worried? Because we've been rejected several times from this area, and you can see that we're starting to create a build-up of bearish resistance. So we'll talk about the bearish resistance very, very soon, but you can see that this level has been rejected several times now. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So it's been rejected 5 times. This is the area in the short term that I'm not going to be bullish until I flip at least above this. So we're rejected, we're rejected, we're rejected. We've got lots of build-up of price action to get through. So the support here is sitting, let's have a look, $6.88. So we've got support here sitting at $6.88. We've got a range here at $6.66, and to the top side, $7.59. If we break and close below here, this is what worries me. If we break and close, come back, retest, that acts as resistance, then we're going to move to the downside. If we move to the downside, how far are we going to move to the downside? Let's measure it. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure this range first and foremost, and then we're going to stick our Fibonacci extension level to find out if we do drop this level, where the next support line is going to be, and if that has any additional confluence that goes alongside it. So how big was this range? From its bottom to its top, this is the extreme of the range, 134%. So Bitcoin's given us 19-20%, 134% in this bull pennant. So if we do drop it, how far are we likely to drop it? What kind of support levels have we got further down if we do drop this as support? So from its swing high to its swing low, back to its recent swing high. And what we're looking for is a 1-to-1 equal measured move, and to find out whether that has any confluence with any previous build-up of price action. If it does, there's a high probability that we're likely to bounce from there if we reject this level. So it's important that we go through these and build these in. So it gives us an idea of where price action is likely to move to the downside, and it helps us prepare for that. So look at this, guys, 1-to-1 equal measured move. Acts perfectly with this build-up of price action. You can see support, support, it's come back down, resistance, 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 support, support. This is the area that Render is likely to pull back down to. That's sitting at $4.18, and that's a move to the downside from where price action is currently sitting, 42%, unfortunately, guys. So this is why I need to bring you this emergency update. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you did find it useful, and I will see you in the next one.